Hi dear Virgo, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Love Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Virgos, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is a reading from 22nd till the end of December. You can say 31st of December. So let's start. Virgo, your partner's feelings for you right now are. Your partner's current feelings for you right now are Virgo. Let's see. Five of Pentacles. This person is feeling betrayed by you. This person is feeling like you betrayed them, backstabbed them, left them hanging on the wall, and you gave them a cold shoulder, and you did something wrong with them. This person is feeling left out. They're deeply hurt. They're left out. They're feeling some kind of loss. This is what this person is feeling right now, Virgo. Like you gave them some kind of unexpected pain. They were not expecting that, but they're feeling like that. I have to clarify this. Let's see why they are so much in pain. Let's see. It's 122. Okay. The World card, the Star card, and the Five of Swords. Okay. They are feeling like this connection is over and they are healing from this separation, but still there is some kind of egoistic battle. They want to fight with you. They feel like they should have a good fight with you. They should confront you why you did that, what you did with them. This is what they are feeling right now. This person is feeling like although this connection is over between you guys, although this cycle is over, there is still a hope. This person is hoping that you are going to fight with them someday. You are going to communicate with them someday, and then they are going to confront you. Why you did that, Virgo, with them? This is how they're going to confront you. Why you did that with me? I did everything right for you, and you just left me hanging on the wall, and this type of situation. What I'm getting here, Virgo. Okay. Let's see what you feel for them, Virgo. Your feelings for this person right now. Let's see what you feel for them. Justice, Libra. Could be dealing with a Libra. So what you're feeling for this person is like, yeah, universe is doing justice with you and this person's connection. So if they did something wrong, they are going to get the bad karma. If they did something right with you, you are feeling like they got their karma. So whatever happened to them was their own karma. This is what you're feeling for this connection. It's like sense of justice is prevailing here. Let me clarify the Justice card as your feelings for them. Let's see. The Hanged Man, the Ten of Swords, and the Seven of Swords. You are stuck. You are stuck and you are trying to see every perspective of this connection. What I did wrong, what they did wrong. Although this connection is over, and you are feeling like they also betrayed you. You are also feeling the same, that they betrayed you in the past and they did the same thing with me, and now I'm just doing the same thing with them because I want fucking justice. Might be for some of you, you hurted them deliberately because you wanted to show them something, or you wanted to just hurt them, and you are being very rude and cold and often detached with this person. Okay, Virgo, what the hell are you doing? So it's like you are feeling like this is their karma. Whatever they are feeling right now, whatever they are getting right now is their karma. You are stuck, you are not doing anything, you are being silent, you are cold and off and detached. After this separation, I can see you doing nothing, and you are feeling like, yeah, this is karma, this is how it should be. Okay, got it. Let's see what this person wants from you, Virgo. Let's see what this person wants from you. Okay, relax. Two of Cups. Although I can see that this person is very hurt, but still they love you. They still want this with you. They still want to have this soulful connection with you. They feel like you are their soulmate and they want this connection back in this energy where it was in the past. Might be in the past you guys were deeply in love with each other. Now this person wants this connection back in that form only, shape or form, or yes, this person does want to have a spiritual connection with you again, a soulmate connection with you again. Let me clarify. Okay, honey. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Let's see. Okay, two of Pentacles and the Knight of Swords and the Nine of Swords. Lots of swords. They're constantly they want you to stop juggling. They want you to stop being in your head about this connection. They want you to stop fighting. They want you to just rush towards them. So it's like this person wants you to take a decision. This person wants you to take a decision because they are very, very stressed out. They are not able to sleep. They are not able to eat. They are not able to do anything. They want you to take a decision, stop juggling, and just rush towards them and talk to them, because they are very, very stressed right now, in anxiety, not able to sleep, and they want you to come out of your stressful phase. They want you to come out of your head space and talk to them on emotional level, one to one, on heart level, heart to heart conversation. This is what they want from you. Let's see what you want from this person, Virgo. Let's see what you want from this person. Emperor. What kind of energy are you dealing with? Like, you are feeling justice for them. Now you want Emperor for them. You want them to take a fucking decision and stick to that. No matter how hard it is, it could be a bad decision, it could be a good decision, or you are making a decision and you want them to stick to that decision that you are making for them. This is what you want from them, Virgo. It's kind of harsh energy. You are being very, very rude with this person. Don't do that. I understand there's certain kind of detachment, there's certain kind of ego battles, there's certain kind of, I don't see love at all in this connection at all. Apart from this person wants this connection to be soulful again, to be in love connection again, but I don't see love apart from this. And you are being very rude and strict with this person. You are feeling like they did something wrong. They are the person who should face their karma. Why should I feel like that? They are not the right person for me. You are behaving like this, Virgo. Stop, calm down, relax. So what you want from them is, you want them to stick to a particular decision. Whether you made this decision or they made it, I don't know, but you want this person to be very, very strict and rude, might be, and you just want them to stick to one particular fucking decision. Let's clarify. Okay. It's kind of very weird reading. The Taurus reading was very beautiful today, and this certainly made me kind of let's clarify. The Emperor could be dealing with an Aries here. The Wheel of Fortune, the Five of Wands, and the Empress. The Emperor is here, the Empress is the Emperor is here, the Empress is here. So what you want from this person? Finally, I can see you want this person to be with you, but you want them to take it really very slow and confront each other, fight with each other, give each other a good fight. This is what you want from them. It is weird. It is very weird. So you want them to wait for the right time. First of all, you want them to confront you, talk to you, and you want them to give a good fight. This is what you want from them. And after giving this good fight, you will be like, yes, now I win, now I'm the Empress, now let's see where it is going. So it's like Emperor energy and Empress energy. This Emperor and this Empress have to come together, but before they come together, they have to cross these two cycles. First of all, you have to wait for the right timing, then you guys have to give each other a good fight or confront each other. Then after confronting each other, I feel like then you guys are going to be together. This is what you want from them. You want them to just take a decision right now of waiting for the universal timing. Gosh, what kind of Hindi serial kind of drama it is happening? Oops, too much drama, Virgo. Too much drama. It's happening. Ooh, I am already fed up. Yeah. Let's see what to expect from this person till the end of December. What action they are going to take towards you, Virgo. Let's see. Star, healing energy. I feel like you guys are going to talk to each other, and this relationship has a potential to heal again and to restart again. So it's like a healing energy that I'm getting here. You guys are going to heal. I have to clarify this first of all, but the vibes that I'm getting from this connection is that like you guys are going to talk to each other on a soulful level. It's like, yeah, now you guys have fought enough, you guys have lots of battles, you guys had lots of conflicts. Now I see you going to, both of you coming to a common ground and talking to each other like two normal fucking human beings. I am abusing a lot today, I'm sorry. I'll not do it in the another reading. So yeah, let me see, let me clarify. The star is the potential outcome from their side, or you can say the action that they are going to take towards you. Yeah, this person wants you back, but after giving you a tough fight. I feel like this person is going to finally speak up, and after speaking up, they are going to offer you a friendship. They are going to offer you some kind of offer, and that offer is of, let's start with scratch and let's see where it is going. Let's heal from the past trauma first, and let's take it step by step. This is what they're going to do. So they're going to finally open up, because I can see they were very silent from a very long time. Might be they were not saying anything, they were not participating in this connection, but now they're participating, now they're opening up, now they're offering you something, and they're offering you, this is the like Ace of Pentacles and the Page of Pentacles together. So I can definitely see like this person wants, might be they are going to offer you some kind of work project or something. Like, let's start this project together and let's see where the connection is going when we do this project together. Like for some of you it is like this, and for others of you they are going to start with scratch. They are going to offer you a friendship, and let's see where it is going. Let's start from a friend's level. Okay, this is what I'm getting here. So let's see what is the guidance for you, what the universe has for you, Virgo, till the end of December. What you should do. Party. No. Let's see. 10 of Cups. You should enjoy with your family. You should indulge yourself more in family activities, in family functions, and whatever family does. Okay, so I feel like this is a tough time for you, so you should seek solace in your family, seek happiness from your family, and go to family get-togethers, or if you guys are away from your family, just visit them. Okay, and for some of you, if it is not possible, talk to them as much as possible. Stay close to your family, stay close to your roots. This is your guidance. So thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.